guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is She, and yeah, so guys, pardon my messy hair, but no worries, because today's video is actually a video of maybe five or four hairstyles that you could do on your free hair. Yeah, so today I'm going to shoot for you guys that. I was only supposed to shoot a reel showing the final 5 styles, but then I thought I can show you guys how I am doing it in a YouTube video also. So yeah, so I'm multitasking, guys, so make sure you go and follow my IG page at she_githae so that you can see the reel when it's up. Yeah, so let's go straight into the video. This is the first hairstyle. So guys, on this hairstyle you just tie your hair, like hold, okay, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, just tie your hair like on top. That's on top. Yeah, so I'm going to use this hair bun. Yeah, but you don't just leave it like that. You can use a comb that has this the one with this side with the little spaces and stuff. So you just take a part. You just have to do this in small pieces, in small portions. Just take a part and then you do like this. So this just makes your hair look puffy at the top, especially if you have small volume of hair like mine. Yeah, so it just makes it look like a puff, and I just love how this style turns out. So you just have to keep doing this until it gets into your liking stuff. So I don't know if you guys can see, like, if there's a difference, but there is a difference. Like, I've just made it look bushy on top here, so you can go ahead and use gel to lay your edges at the front. Yeah, so okay guys, that's hairstyle number 1. Like, I don't know if you guys can see exactly how it looks like, but it's pretty in the mirror, I assure you guys. So let's go to hairstyle number 2. So as opposed to the first hairstyle, now we are going to tie our hair right here, but not just tying it, like we're going to divide the hair at the front here into 2 parts, so that one side can come lying like this and the other side can come lying like this. Like, the line is so important, guys. Like, I feel like the central line, it makes a difference in how you look. Imagine, like, it doesn't look plain, like, you get, like, when you just hold your hair like this, honestly. Yeah, but the line makes a difference. So let me show you guys. Okay, just make sure the line can be seen, like, clearly, like, kabisa. Yeah. Okay, nice. So while tying it, you just have to make sure that the hair on this side, like you bring it towards this side, and then the hair on this other side, just do like this. Okay, I just do this to my hair so that it can look a bit puffy at the back. Yeah, so to make the line visible, you're just going to use a little gel to lie the baby hairs on each side. So yeah, guys, laying edges is so important, like in each hairstyle. Like, guys, I think it just makes a difference. Yeah. One thing that I love about this hairstyle, there's just a way it makes you look neat. Like, there's just a way, like, just look at this. Yeah, this is my best hairstyle. So guys, the next hairstyle that I'm going to do is actually the two puffs, like on each side of your head. I know that's easy and simple, but just wait and see how I look like with that hairstyle. And I just feel like a baby when I do this hairstyle each time. But imagine, like, I think it's better than just doing the usual. Like, sometimes just do something that's not the usual, that's out of the normal. So yeah, so we're just going to continue now. Divide the whole head. So again, guys, the thing with the puffs, like, you can, depending on what you want to look like, just depending on the shape of your head, let me just be straight, depending on the shape of your head, you can tie them, like, you can try and tie them on top a little bit, or you can try and tie them at the back. So yeah, but for me right now, I'm going to tie them at the top. Yeah. So the first one is going to be here, and so guys, one difficulty that I usually have while doing the puffs is to make them look identical. Like, hey, it's tough. Okay, I'm going to tie them here. Okay, I hope it just looks like the other one. I look like a baby, honestly. Or you can also, like, tie them into little buns like that. And there we are. Yeah, so guys, now let's go to the fourth hairstyle. So guys, this hairstyle, I'm also going to divide my hair into two parts, but on the previous one we divided it like this. So now I want to divide it like horizontally. I don't know, because I think this is vertical. Now we're going to do it here, that way. So again guys, this is a very easy hairstyle. So I want us to tie the first part, and then the other one we'll just leave it like that. Yeah. Again guys, this is a very pretty hairstyle. So we're just going to comb the lower part so that it looks nice. So guys, on to the final style. We are going to use a head wrap for this one because I think I've run out of styles. Yeah, so and I want them to be 5 styles, because for the real I want them like, I want it to be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, like the 5 school days. Yeah, I hope what's in my head is what will turn out. So yeah, just wait and see. I'm trying to like make a bun of this headscarf. Like, I don't know how to do that. So guys, this is how we are ending the video. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, so this has been the most difficult style to do. At least I've tried. Actually, this is my first time tying my hair with a head wrap. Like, I don't do that. Yeah, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the family. And yeah, bye guys.